Hi, welcome to Monflo. In this video, we'll guide you through on how to transfer funds. After logging in, head to the transfer section from the dashboard. Here you'll find options to send money to an individual or a business. To send money to an individual, fill in the required fields, the amount, their IBAN, first and last name. Optionally, you can add a reference for the transfer. If this is someone you'll send money to often, simply add them to your address book for easy access in the future. To transfer to a business, select the business option and fill in the amount, IBAN, and the business name. You can also include an optional payment reference. Finally, review all the details to ensure everything is correct. Once you're ready, click Transfer to complete the process. Thank you for watching. Sign up for early access and get your Web3 IBAN.